Hello everyone. Happy February 2nd. Today we celebrate Groundhogs, Tater Tots, and the joy of quirky traditions. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's Groundhog Day. A fun tradition predicting the seasons. A great gift could be a plush groundhog, a themed calendar, or a folklore book. Do you follow the groundhog's shadow? Let's predict in the comments. It's National Tater Tot Day. A crispy snack favorite. A thoughtful gift could be a gourmet tot recipe kit, a novelty fryer, or a snack bowl. Do you love tater tots? Let's crunch the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. And finally, it's Hedgehog Day. A quirky nod to these spiky creatures. A sweet gift could be a hedgehog plushie, a themed notebook, or a wildlife calendar. What's your favorite hedgehog fact? Let's curl into the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for March 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome.